With many people spending more time at home these days, sometimes it's hard to come up with interesting meals to actually make at home. On this list, we'll be taking a look at our favorite meals from around the world. Hello and welcome to Bamtoplists. I'm your host Philip, and today we'll be taking a look at the top 5 foods from around the world. Don't forget to leave this video a like and subscribe to stay up to date with our list. Now, who's hungry? Coming at number 5, we have paella, Spain. Paella is a traditional Spanish rice dish, mostly from Valencia. It dates back all the way to the 10th century. There are many different variations of paella. This dish usually has ground grain rice, beans, rabbit, chicken, and sometimes duck. Olive oil is used as a base. Artichoke hearts and stems were used as a spice, and rosemary branches were used as seasoning. Other toppings can include tomatoes, onions, and even snails. To this day, this dish is commonly known to be eaten for lunch. It's very easy to make yourself at home. Have you ever tried this dish? Let us know down below. Coming in at number 4, we have chicken parmigiana, Italy. This dish is now popular worldwide, but it originated back in Italy in 1950s. However, some sources also say that chicken parmigiana originated in Australia. No matter where the dish came from, it's one of the most popular dishes to make around the world. Chicken parmigiana is breaded chicken covered with tomato sauce, toppings with mozzarella cheese and parmesan. If you ever want to get extra fancy with this dish, you can also add bacon and ham on top of the breaded chicken. As years went by, chicken parmigiana became popular in the United States and Canada in the 1960s. It is mostly served with a side of pasta. To this day, not much has changed from the original recipe. You can choose your own type of breadcrumbs, sauces, and cheese to give the dish a unique taste. Coming at number 3, we have pierogi, Poland. No one knows the exact origins or what year pierogi was made, but historians believe it originated in Poland in the 13th century. The outer layer is dough, and the fillings are usually cottage cheese, potatoes, sauerkraut, mushrooms, and sometimes fruits. You would wrap the fillings with dough and put them in hot boiling water. Then, if you want, you can pan fry them to get an extra crunch in your bite. Some people like to add fried onions on top to give that extra taste. The dish is mostly popular in Eastern Europe. The dish also hasn't changed much from the original recipe. If you make these at home, be prepared to make these all day. It's certainly a messy dish to make. Coming at number 2, we have sushi, China. Sushi is a favorite dish to serve all over the world. Japan is known for this famous dish. However, if we go back in time, it originated in China in the 2nd BC, over 2,000 years ago. It was a popular dish called narazushi. It consisted of rice and salted fish. Japan was introduced to this dish in the year 718. Over the years, sushi became more popular as a main meal with many different variations. Japan is known for the sushi because they came up with a creative way to enjoy this meal. It soon became a popular dish around the world. Coming at number 1, we have crepes. It is the most popular dish ever served. It can be served for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and even served as a dessert. It is a very thin pancake served with any toppings you want. The most popular toppings are chocolate, yummy, strawberries, cheese, ham, eggs. This delicious meal was created back in the 13th century in Brittany, France. The legend goes that this dish was made by accident from a local housewife. She was trying to make porridge, but it flattened, so she became creative. The word spread fast, and it was later introduced as crepe. Today, people all over the world came up with this interesting way to make crepes, adding almost any kind of topping you can think of. Which food on this list will you try to make yourself at home? Or which one on this list is your favorite? Let me know down below. Maybe we can make a part 2 of this list. There are so many foods, and it's hard to fit everything on this list. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest lists. See you in the next video.